Welcome to our one-stop destination for affordable vacation packages in India. We are a highly acclaimed online tour operator offering personalized services and luxurious accommodations. We understand that planning a vacation can be overwhelming. That's why we offer personalized services to cater to your every need. We also believe that luxurious accommodations shouldn't come at a high price. Our affordable vacation packages ensure that you get the best value for your money. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about our services and the unforgettable experiences they had on their vacations. So why stress over planning your next vacation? Let us handle all the details and provide you with a memorable and affordable experience.